Oh, say can you see? Welcome to Lily's Cupcakery! The 4th of July is around the corner, and that's why I said I have to bake a German cheesecake. That just makes sense. But we're gonna put some America decoration on there. In comparison, a German cheesecake is a little different to an American one because for the crust we don't use cookies, but we make a dough from scratch. And also the filling is not made with cream cheese, but with the German Quark, which is very hard for you to find in the US. Which is why today I would like to show you how to make your own quark in order to get this moist and fluffy and light German cheesecake texture. For the crust you'll need some flour, white sugar, 2 eggs, then we have butter, powdered sugar, and then I use the German typical vanilla sugar, but feel free to also just use your vanilla extract. All we do is just throw it into one bowl and make a dough out of it. Now once everything is combined, we take a baking pan. I will put down the measurements of the ingredients and the baking pan down in my description. I'm lazy Lily, I'm not gonna roll the dough. That's why I just place it into my pan and then I start pressing it. You really cover the edges, yeah? So that later when the cake is finished baking, you have a nice high crust around the cake. I personally love the crust. Some people say it's like ridiculous, no one needs it, but I love it. It's the best part. And now we'll start with the filling. As you can see here, this is the famous German Quark. It is quite sour and the texture is a little like cottage cheese, but not as grainy. It's very hard to describe. What I want you to do, because I'm gonna do half and half. So half of the amount I'm going to use my German Quark, but then I also have here Daisy sour cream from the States, and I will show you in a minute what you have to do with that. We have sugar, vanilla extract, 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding powder, 4 eggs, lemon, some vegetable oil, and milk. Now we're going to set Daisy and the Quark aside and just throw in the rest of the ingredients into one bowl. It's when you cut yourself and then you use lemon and the lemon juice goes right into the wound. All right, we get to your sour cream. Take a separate bowl and a kitchen towel. Place the towel above the bowl. And now you basically have to drain the sour cream so that it loses more water and becomes more like our Quark. Again, here I will also put down the measurements of all the ingredients I just used down below. Okay, and now just put the sour cream into your towel. And now you see that it got less soupy. Now just add your Quark to the remaining ingredients. Oh my God. Oh shit. Shit! Scrape down the sides, you know why. And then mix again. Consistency of your filling should be completely liquid. Now here's my cheesecake. What you have to watch after you bake it. Of course, cheesecakes are always a little tricky because the outside, so the crust and the top, they burn really fast. So like after half of the time that it is baking, you should cover it with foil. That's what I always do. Still, you have your brown edges. That's just what it is, but that's a cheesecake. And also, when you take it out, don't worry if it's like wobbly. It's not raw. It will thicken after it cools off. That is completely normal. Now I have some raspberries here, some blueberries, and a little meringue. And that's what I'm gonna decorate my cake with. I'm just gonna cover it a little bit in powdered sugar so that like the foundation is whiter. All right, and that should be enough decoration in red, white, and blue. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're gonna celebrate America's birthday with your loved ones. I am so excited to see if the sour cream version and making your own Quark works for you. So please go ahead and bake this cake at home, take a picture of it, post it onto my Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag lillyscupcakery. I'd love to see it. And if there's anything else I can bake for you, just comment down below. I see you again in 2 weeks with the next German delicious cake. Bye bye.